All right. We are here in Roanoke, Virginia, at the famous Market Parking Garage.
The Market Parking Garage in Roanoke, Virginia.
This is a YouTube landmark.
One and only.
Oh, this is new. That is... I feel like this was repainted since I was last here, too.
It may have been.
I wouldn't remember. This was like brick, too. Cinder block, not drywall. All right, here we are. Ah, yes. The Market Parking Garage.
This is really tall for a hydrant.
Yep, here we are. Now let's see the incredible view.
For what it is, it runs really good.
Oh, this thing runs great. DMCs are really good elevators. Hey, was this replaced
Yes,
recently?
it was. Oh, it was replaced probably about, it's been about 10 years.
Oh, okay. I'll take a second ride on this one just because it's the Market Parking Garage elevator. Someone's still up in their office at this hour. Oh, maybe they just left the lights on.
These DMCs are probably one of the best hydraulic elevators ever made.
These and the 211s are just great. Oh, there's Evan over there.
These things are bulletproof.
Geez, this is like right up against the wall here.
And the other one, when it starts up going down, is so smooth you can barely feel it.
Oh, yeah. Right.
But this one does work.
Very nice cinder block wall.
So nice view out there, even at night.
Oh, yeah. There's the Wells Fargo building off in the distance. Well, not that far, just a couple blocks off.
Most of the numbers work today.
All right, and we'll go back down to the ground.
Let's see which numbers are working today. They keep up really good on these.
There's the emergency telephone. S for Sam. Wow! That door braille has seen cleaner days. Anyway.
Don't mention it, they'll modernize it.
This one's not on the list right now.
Good. That will be it.